Well, good morning and Happy New Year. It's January 1st, 2025. And what better way to start the new year than with a little duck hunt? So I'll be heading down south today, do some hunting with Chris and Justin. Right now it's 4:20 a.m. It's 35 degrees. Got about an hour and a half, hour and 45-minute drive. So I'm going to go ahead and get on that and get down there as soon as possible. Once we get there, I'll be catching back up with you. Thanks.
I didn't see them.
There's only two of them.
I didn't even fucking see them.
I didn't see him either.
Right here when I seen them.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we suck.
We're not such good duck hunters, are we?
Oh my god, there's four.
I just lost them.
They're close. Stay down.
Keep your head down. Get low, you stupid bitches. They're flying into the wind.
We
Just
got two to the left.
I didn't see the two to the left. These two to the right just kind of just flying dead into the wind like a bunch of idiots.
Dude, they literally could have came that low and just landed. They didn't even have to land, they just had to get close enough to shoot at.
Yeah. I didn't see the Tweety birds. Sit up. Yeah. Looks like they're turning. I can't tell.
Sit.
Oh yeah. Oh
Come
yeah.
on, sit.
Oh yeah. Come on, baby. No, come this way, you stupid
All
fucks.
they're doing. I'm not honking anymore.
There they are. Come on, guys. Come in, come in.
Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Keep your head down. Keep your head
Tell me when to shoot. I'm losing them behind my sticks.
It's fine. They're flying into the wind. It's perfect. Hang on. No, you fuckers. Keep your head way down.
Where are they gonna go?
They come back. Keep your head down. Oh yeah, they're a lot lower this time. They're doing it. Right at us. Just fucking cup and come down. Hit him again.
They fly over, we're shooting.
Yeah, we're not making the same mistake.
Where they at?
Left.
It's the same too.
It probably is. Get ready. Keep your head down. It'll be right in front of us. Yep.
Come back, come back.
Come here. Sit
Just get over here and land.
Come on, come on. They're way too far over for me. Well, unfortunately today all we got to do is some bird watching, as you saw. Had some flying a couple different times, just so high and off the line. Just didn't have any luck. We'll get at her again. This weather here in Ohio has just been really rough. Too warm, ups and downs with the temperature and wind. It's just not been well. So we'll keep at it. Hopefully get you guys a video here in the next couple weeks before the season's up. But I really appreciate if you could go ahead and like and subscribe. I really want to grow my channel, and I can't do that without the support of the followers. So I really appreciate everything.